And now that you have an overview of the AI playground, I actually wanted to hop in here and add a little bit of a use case that's a lot more specific to the video creation process. So what I have is some example text that I typed up about the main steps of setting up lighting in your scenario. So this is gonna be part of an upcoming video that I'm doing on YouTube as a tutorial. So what I'm gonna do is now hop over to the playground. So what I have here is part of my upcoming tutorial, and this is actually a 5-step process that I wrote out, but I purposefully went and deleted everything after step 3. So step 1, we want to assess your space. This is the first step in lighting, to assess your filming space. Determine the size of your space. Take note of the potential lighting sources, such as windows and lamps. So these are all steps and things I'm going to be saying in the upcoming video. Now, what I'm going to do is choose the complete mode on the AI playground. And this is going to be handy for if you start writing a script or if you start writing an outline for an upcoming video and you get the ball rolling and you're giving the AI playground basically a framework to complete the work that you started. So rather than creating a prompt from scratch where ChatGPT is going to create what it wants depending on your input, we're actually giving it a starting place to go from. So what I'm going to do now is hit submit, and the model is going to go ahead and read everything that we put into our prompt and actually finish what we started, which is really cool. So you can see how much of a interesting new tool this is when you're writing upcoming content. So let's just see what it did. So step 1, assess your space. Step 2, choose your lighting equipment. 3, position your lighting. Step 4, test your lighting. And then step 5, shoot your footage. So this is pretty dang cool that in this day and age, we have tools that can literally complete our thoughts and just creative ideas that we want to get off the ground faster. Of course, for a polished final product, you don't just want to go and shoot this. You would want to look over it and re-edit it as needed. So with that said, let's now get into the insert mode so we can see another example. So I'm going to click over to mode and I'm going to click insert. This is going to bring us over to the insert functionality of the playground. Now what I'm going to do is type in or paste in my 5-step list that I created. But what I went ahead and did was deleted a chunk of step number 4. Now with insert, it's different than the completion mode because it's not going to complete the end of your writing. It's going to go ahead and complete wherever you put the word in brackets, insert. So this is in the middle of this tutorial that I want to shoot a video of. So I'm going to go ahead and put insert and then I'm going to hit submit. And just like that, setting your lighting levels, step number 4. Now that your lighting is in place, it's time to set the levels. Adjust the brightness and color temperature of each light to create your desired look. You can also add gels to your lights to add color. So boom, there's so many different ways that you can use this to speed up your writing process, whether you want to use completion to finish the ending or last part of your written text, or use the insert mode to fill in missing areas that you want ChatGPT to complete.